online shoppers? It is winter time, there is snow, and I found a really great solution for not having to do a whole lot of shoveling. This is the VOLTASK electric snow shovel. It's 24 volts, it's 13 inches across, and it only weighs about 9.5 pounds, so it's not too heavy to hold and operate. It's rechargeable, and those are the reasons why I bought it, so let's open it up, get it out of the box, and see what it looks like. There's the contents of the box. So we've got handle, more handle, instruction manual, parts for assembly, and there is my shovel. 24 volt like it says, handle, rechargeable 24 volt battery, and inside here is the lithium-ion battery charger. That's one of the things that makes this electric snow shovel so great, is that it's a lithium-ion battery, which is going to hold its charge for a long time, and it's going to charge quickly with this quick charge charger. Now assembly is really easy on this. You only have to put one piece into the next, and you're ready to go. So this is the snow shovel right here. This handle right here allows you to direct the flow of your snow, which I like because you don't always want it to go just straight ahead. Sometimes you want it to go off to the side, so you're trying to keep it off your walkway or out of your driveway. So you have that option, and it's a really nice, easy to use handle. Fits really nice in my hand. There's two little notches that have to line up with your handle here, just like that. Slides in, and then this little cover twists into place to secure your handle. Just like that, nice and tight. And then we have to install this piece right here. Now, just before I go putting that on, I just want to show you, this is where the battery goes. The battery has just a nice, simple little squeeze clasp here that's going to attach it on to the handle. But before I put the battery on, we're going to attach the handle to the handle. And this is going to go in exactly the same way. There's two notches that you have to feed in, just like that. And then they clip in easy. And then all you have to do is just twist this, which covers the joint in the handle, nice and tight, and you've got something really secure. Now this here is an additional handle that you can use to help maneuver and control the snow shovel. So all you have to do is just take out this little knob and then insert it here, put the screw back in, and then turn your knob to tighten. And that makes this adjustable. It has like a locking feature on the handle. You can adjust this as you wish to the different angles, like that with a twist. It locks into place, and then all you have to do is just tighten it like that, nice and steady. So we've got our shovel all connected. There's just a nice little power button here and an on-off switch there. So let's put our battery in place. Now the full weight of this altogether, the shovel itself and the battery attached, is 9.5 pounds. Slide that in like that. And our battery power is attached. The only thing that remains is for us to actually turn it on and see what it looks like. Now the on-off is here, and all you have to do is push it, and there you go. That is your snow shovel in action. Show you that one more time. All you have to do is push this button and then squeeze right here to activate it. There you go. Now that's pretty loud, but once you get it outside with the snow, it's definitely not going to be that loud. Now when I'm standing up, I'm 5'6". This is pretty comfortable for me to use. And there you go, you've got your handle. And another thing, safety thing, this isn't going to work. You're not going to be able to turn it on until you actually push that button in first. Okay, that's a safety feature for this. So this is the VOLTASK Cordless electric snow shovel. It works battery operated. It's got a great charger. It's got a 13-inch across section, and you've got a battery that recharges very quickly. That's my impression out of the box. I'm going to take it outside and use it in the snow, but I'm pretty impressed with what I hear and what I see. I can't wait to shovel my driveway with this so I don't have to lift. All I have to do is push. Definitely think this one here, the VOLTASK 24 volt 13-inch electric snow shovel, is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.